I will show you how to access Algebra 2 assessments on the CPM website. So let's start by opening your browser, going to ebooks.cpm.org. Once there, you want to select Algebra 2. In the bottom right hand corner, you should see a tab that says CPM assessment. Let's click on that. Once you get to this page, you want to look at the top to the right where you see download sample test. Let's click on that. Now you want to pay careful attention. On the left hand side, you have the courses listed. You want to make sure you choose Core Connections Algebra 2. That's Core Connections Algebra 2. Now you have options for your tests: Chapter 1 Team Test, Chapter 2 Team Test, Chapter 2 Individual. So let's download the assessment. You can either download as a PDF or as a Word document. We're going to choose a Word document. Once you open the test, you'll notice it's just the questions. No answers are provided. If you want the answers, we're going to go back to the same page, go to Answer Sheets, download your answer sheets the same way you downloaded the test. And here are the answers.